Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we uncover the truth behind trending products and viral claims. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that's been blowing up on social media, the Lovera Calcium Balm, a Korean multi-balm that claims to restore firmness, smooth fine lines, and give your skin a youthful, radiant glow. But is this balm truly a skin miracle, or just another overhyped beauty trend? Let's find out! So, what exactly is the Lovera Calcium Balm? It's marketed as an all-in-one Kbeauty skincare stick that supposedly delivers instant hydration, reduces wrinkles, and firms up your skin, all in a single swipe. The secret ingredient? Calcium, which the brand claims helps strengthen the skin barrier and improve elasticity. Sounds impressive, right? But here's where we dig deeper. Let's start with the bold claims. According to Lovera's marketing, it restores firmness and elasticity, smooths fine lines and wrinkles, adds a youthful glow. Can even be used as a makeup primer or on-the-go moisturizer, but does it actually work like that? After reviewing real user feedback, dermatologist opinions, and several unfiltered reviews online, the results are mixed. Some users said they noticed smoother skin and an instant dewy glow, but others felt it was just a greasy stick that offers temporary shine without any real long-term benefits. So, is the Lovera Calcium Balm a legit skincare innovation, or just another overhyped Korean beauty trend? Here's the truth. It's not a scam, but it's also not a miracle. It can make your skin look hydrated and glowing temporarily, but don't expect it to erase wrinkles or tighten your skin overnight. If you're curious and want a quick moisture boost or a glowing finish before makeup, it might be worth a try. But if you're expecting serious anti-aging results, your money might be better spent on dermatologist-approved serums or creams. Thanks for watching Online Scam Advisor, where we test trends so you don't get tricked. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another scam check or product truth reveal. Drop a comment below. Have you tried the Lovera Calcium Balm? Did it work for you, or was it just another hyped-up balm? Until next time, stay smart, stay safe, and always verify before you buy. Thank you.